Welcome, today I will show you face unlock test of Motorola Edge 20 Lite. So we are going to check how fast this face unlocking works. Let's make a few tries. Okay, as you can see right now, the smartphone cannot recognize my face. I mean, that's terrible, honestly. It cannot recognize my face still. But I will show you that I just set it up. So take a look. Security, face unlock. And there it is. I'm going to delete. Okay, I can just make a new scan to show you that I'm really here. Okay, let's make the tries. Okay, right now it works. Okay, right now it works really good, but I don't know, maybe it was some kind of the bug, because I just set it up my face. I'm sitting in the same position. Right now it's really able to recognize my face every time. I think it's the same fast like the fingerprint sensor, the same speed. So yeah, that's how the face unlock works in Motorola Edge 20 Lite. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.